Hey everybody, welcome to Chef Dawg. We've reviewed this before. It's the Irish stew. You can get this from Costco. We weren't big fans. Found out that they've actually updated their recipe. We wanted to try it again. Right around 15 bucks, 160 calories for 3/4 of a cup. Got 17 grams of protein, 14 grams of carbs, 4 grams of fat. Very hearty meal. So the cooking instructions on this, super easy. So we'll take this, put it in the pan, and we will cook it for, it says 12 minutes. There are large beef chunks. That's how big a beef chunk I'm getting. So I'm gonna cut those up. This I would say would feed a family of 5, but if you're having multiple servings, then maybe not. So I've cut it up into smaller chunks and pieces, and now, again, they say about 12 minutes, we'll see. I just set the timer, we'll check the time and see. Okay, it's been about 4 minutes, starting to boil. Just gonna mix that up there. We got some pretty big beef chunks, if you can see those. Just wanna make sure they're nice and warm all the way through. It's been in here long enough. We've let it boil now for about 12 or so minutes. This should be perfect. I'm gonna have my beautiful wife come over here and give it a shot and see what she thinks. Got my wife and my daughter here. You two, give it a shot and tell me what you think. So for a 12-minute meal, right? Yeah. Very hearty, by the way. I mean, this will fill you up. This would be great again for camping, great for just, I think anything. But overall taste and texture. Again, the potatoes, I think the texture's on them good. Carrots, the meat. Again, I don't know what they did different, but
that was good.
I did too.
I told John I'm eating potato girl. I like it. It's like we're having dinner tonight.
I would definitely eat this again. Big fan. Irish stew from Costco. I'm giving that a thumbs up. I'd give this probably somewhere in the ballpark. I'm actually like probably an 8.3 on this. Maybe 8.5. They did something different. I'm grateful they did, because I like to give good reviews if we can. Fan of this. Wow, Mom gave it an 8. Okay, well hey, thanks for watching Chef Dawg. And remember, if you like Costco food, that's what we do here. When you said do that, what does that do for me? Well, so should I talk faster? So if you like Costco food, make sure to share it with other people. And everybody, thank you for watching. Have a good night. Is that what I mean? Okay, I'm doing my thing. Yeah, I'm doing my thing. If you like Costco food, you know, share it with others. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Thanks for watching Chef Dawg. Have a good one.